Hello everyone. So this is a alternate route again, and we're here in Winnipeg, Manitoba. This is the Bison Road Drive, the route on Winnipeg, Manitoba. So this route will take us through Bison Road, and also we go through Waverley. We'll go through Chancellor Drive. So this is like one of the popular routes that examiners take here. And in this video, we are going to walk you through this route and also share useful tips that can help you prepare for the road test so that you can pass successfully. So this is for the MPI road test in Winnipeg, Manitoba on Bison Drive. All right. So very important, please take note that there are some basic things, some basic rules you want to observe during this test, otherwise you will fail automatically. For example, failure to stop at a stop sign. So you must come to a complete stop with at least 3 seconds before you move forward. Otherwise, if you stop and just step your leg on the brakes, take your leg off and roll your vehicle, that will be considered a rolling stop, and that can lead to automatic failure. As well, if you fail to stop at a traffic light, so if you beat a traffic light, it's automatic failure. If you fail to stop for a pedestrian at an uncontrolled intersection, so for every uncontrolled intersection, pedestrians have the right of way. So if you get an intersection, you see a pedestrian who is attempting to cross the street, you have to stop your vehicle completely until they cross the entire road, or to the middle of the road if the road is divided by physical barrier, maybe like a ditch, or you have a pavement dividing the road. So you want to take note of that, as well as dangerous driving. You don't want to undertake any dangerous maneuvering. Any dangerous maneuvering will lead to automatic failure of this test as well. And very important, you must master your parallel parking, reverse parking, being able to park behind another vehicle, line up parallel to the curb. So you must master that as well. And another thing is parking uphill and downhill. So you want to also make sure that you know how to master those as well. So we have videos that explains all of these techniques in this channel. So go search for those videos, and if you're new here, please do subscribe. I like the videos and share them so that more people can see them and pass the road test in Manitoba, Winnipeg. So we're going to start now. So first thing, we want to pull back. Please be aware that when pulling back, you want to make sure that you are looking back and checking both sides before you drive off. That will tell the examiner that you're careful and you're being observant. So if I want to pull back right now, I have to look to my left, look to my right, the whole road is safe before I start pulling back. Okay, and when pulling back, you make sure you are looking back as well. Okay, either from the left or from the side, right, depending on which side you are turning to. All right. Okay. So we're going to exit the MPI parking lot. Signal, check the mirror, check the shoulder, make sure your blind spot is safe. Good. So you have a yield sign here, the road is free, so I'll turn and go. Okay, we're turning right at the traffic light. Road is safe. Good. Turn right. Is a stop sign. Come to a complete stop. Wait 3 seconds before you drive off. So this is just a maneuvering here in the parking lot. This is not something you necessarily might do in your road test. But I just wanted to show you just this type of maneuvering in the parking lot here. Okay, we are going left, signal, check the mirrors, check your shoulder, your blind spot, make sure it's safe. All right. So we'll turn left to Bain Street. Let's have our signal. So this is a stop sign. You come to a complete stop. Wait 3 seconds. Go forward gently to observe the road. There's a vehicle coming from my left, so I'm going to wait for them. And I cannot see my right fully, so I'll say inch forward a little bit. Make sure the road is safe before I go. So my right is clear as well, so I can go now. So please be aware that you must observe a speed limit as you are driving. Most of this route is a 50, some part is 60. Let's signal we're going right at the stop sign. Check your mirrors, check your shoulder to make sure your blind spot is safe. We are turning to Lee Boulevard, but we'll come to a complete stop. Wait 3 seconds and go forward. Since it's a 4-way stop, the first vehicle to stop is the vehicle that will drive off first. So if you are the first to stop, you drive off first. If 2 vehicles stop at the same time, the one to the right has the right of way. Okay? So there is a speed bump here. You reduce your speed. That tells the examiner you're observant. Another speed bump. Reduce your speed a little bit. Go through that. There is a 3-way stop here. So you will come to a complete stop. Wait at least 3 seconds and then drive off. So we're on Lee Boulevard. Our next turn is going to be a right turn at the traffic light to Waverley. So now we're going to have to signal and slide to the right. We'll check our mirrors, check the blind spot, make sure it's clear. Then make the turn. There is a yield sign as you approach, so you slow down, watch the road, make sure there's no vehicle coming before you turn it. And when you turn right, from right, you turn to the right-hand lane, okay? Now this road is 70, so you want to accelerate. Make sure you get your vehicle up. At least 65 is good, okay? So we're on Waverley. So we're going to slide right to Bison. For the signal, check your blind spot, make sure it's safe. We'll slide right to Bison Drive. There is a yield sign there, so there are vehicles coming from my left-hand side, so I'm going to have to yield. Okay, my lane is free, so I can go now. Here is 60. So at the traffic light, we're turning left, so put the signal, check your shoulder, swap, change lane, check shoulder again, change your lanes again. So we're turning left to Markham. So the light is green and there's no vehicle coming, so we'll just drive and go, but we'll observe to make sure pedestrians are not crossing. Good. So take note of the road signs here. So it says a 30 maximum, so you bring your speed down. Anywhere between a 25 and 27 is good. So we'll come to a complete stop. And we're making a left turn to Chancellor here. So we go in. Check the blind spot. It's safe. Remember, we're still waiting that 30 zone. It says Monday to Friday. So we'll go through this stop sign, but we'll come to a complete stop first. Stop completely with 3 seconds. Then you keep going. We're on Chancellor Drive. So if you notice, you will see the 30 zone ends. So you can speed up here, get your vehicle, because this is an inner street, a neighborhood, residential neighborhood. So you can get your vehicle to anywhere between 45 and 40, depending on the traffic ahead of you and how free the road is, okay? And the road here is not marked, so you want to make sure that you are still staying on to your side of the road. The examiner, we don't want to see you wandering from one lane to the other, okay? So we're turning left at the stop sign. Put our signal as we approach 30 meters or more. Make sure you signal 30 meters or more from where you're turning. Come to a complete stop. Check the mirrors, check the shoulder is safe. Oh, we'll make a left turn here. At the next traffic light, we're making a left turn again. Check the signal, check the mirror. We're turning back to Waverley. So it's a red light. Since we're making a left turn, we have to come to a complete stop and wait for the traffic signal. And when you're waiting at an intersection like this, be very observant. Not only are you watching the lights, also watch out for pedestrians who may want to cross the road, because when the light changes and you're making a left turn, there may be pedestrians who also have the right of way to cross, and you have to yield to those pedestrians, right? And if there's an oncoming vehicle ahead of you, you also have to yield to that vehicle. Also, when you are making a left turn at a traffic light, the vehicles that are going straight have the right of way. So you drive into the intersection, keeping your steering straight, and wait for those vehicles that are going straight to pass before you can pass. Okay? I don't know right now, from what I can see ahead, there's no vehicle on the other lane that's going straight, but you never can tell. So now is a green light. So I'm going to drive into the intersection and observe. I can't see fully, so I'm going to observe, because it seems there was a vehicle coming from the other end. Okay, it's not going this way. Good. So this lane is exiting, but we're not going to exit. So I'm going to put my signal, check my mirror, then turn to the lane that's going straight. You see, and it's 70 as well. So you get your vehicle to anywhere between 60 and say 65. Make sure you are staying on your lane. We're on Route 80 South. At the traffic light, we're going to turn left to Lee Boulevard. So you turn on your signal, check your mirrors, check your shoulder, then slide into the lane. I'm facing a red light, so I have to come to a complete stop. This vehicle shouldn't have driven into the intersection because they were facing a red light as well, right? Now the light is green. We can then go check mirrors, check the shoulder, make sure it's safe. So this road is 50, but there is a speed bump, so I'll slow down a little bit. Another speed bump. So all of these you want to make sure you are observing so that the examiner will know that you know what you're doing and you're being careful. Okay. So it's a three-way stop, complete stop. We're on Lee Boulevard. Slow down. So we have other videos on the channel that explains more, okay, that shared other tips that can help you pass the test as well. And if you're taking your test in other part of the city like Main Street, we have a video for Main Street. We have about 2 videos or 3 for Main Street, and also in St. Mary's as well. So go look out for those videos so that you can practice with those videos as well. Okay, so here we go. We're going left. Remember, you have to signal 30 meters or more. Come to complete stop. The 4-way sign. So now we stopped. We have the right of way. We make a left turn and go. Okay. I'm gonna turn right. Put that signal. Check mirrors, check sure that we have the right of way, so that vehicle have to wait for us. And when you get in here, remember that you are still doing your test, so you don't have to be lax. Make sure you signal and park properly. All right, so this is the road test here in Winnipeg, Manitoba on Bison Drive, the ones that goes through Bison Drive. Yeah.